What's up guys, welcome back to yet another in-depth review video, and in this video we'll do a review of OxygenOS 13 stable build for OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro, in which we'll cover things like battery backup, performance part, general stability and other things. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have my OnePlus 9 which is currently running on the stable build of OxygenOS 13. So here you can see the OS version which is 13.0 stable build, and if you talk about the version it says F.16. And guys, a lot of users have been complaining about the green line issues. So for those users who are more concerned about the green line issues after upgrading the device to 12 or 13, you can check out the video which is being displayed on the screen. Link of that can be found in the description below. And guys, before moving ahead, let's keep a like target of 500 likes on this video. We still have 82% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. So if you guys find our videos helpful to you, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. And now talking about some of the issues which I have been facing on my OnePlus 9 after the update of OxygenOS 13. And guys, these are temporary issues. I've been using this device since almost 7 days now and I did not encounter any kind of major bug. One of the issue is related to YouTube music application. So here you can see music is being played, but if I tap on these three dots, I don't get to see active application option. So this is one issue and it's a temporary issue. It goes off once I restart the device. The issues which I have encountered, all of them are temporary bug. If you see a lot of issues, then make sure to perform a factory reset. And guys, there's another issue which is related to OnePlus Health application. So here we have the OnePlus Health application. For example, if I open this app, now this app doesn't show me the setup menu or the initial screen. This stuck at white background. So there is a fix for this. What you have to do is you just need to go to settings and you need to sign out from your OnePlus account. From here, tap on your account and sign out your account. So once you have signed out your OnePlus account, just go back, clear the caches of OnePlus Health application or the data by going to app info, storage usage, clear data and delete. Now again open the OnePlus Health application. So now if I open the OnePlus Health application, I will get an option to sign in with my Google account. And there you can see. So this is the simplest way by which you can sign in your OnePlus Health application. And another issue which I encountered today for the first time, that was related to Wi-Fi drop. It only happened once and later I did not see that thing appearing back on my device. As far as I remember, on previous build we were able to change the font weight of two fonts. One was OneSan and another was OnePlus Sans. But after stable build we are only able to change font weight of OneSan. I think for OnePlus San also they have removed this option. And another issue which I noticed on this build is related to RAM management. So let me show you an example here. So I'll scroll down these photos towards the bottom side in my gallery application. Now what I'll do is I'll close this application and I'll try to open other applications. For example, let's open up Facebook. So most of the application reloads if they are in the background, and let me just quickly open another 2-3 applications. Now if I open the gallery application, you can see we are back onto the first page. We left the gallery application in the background with album tab open, but now it's back on the main home page. So I personally noticed the RAM management is quite bad on OxygenOS 13, and I think these changes are made to save some battery life. There are some of the notification issues, so I have those screenshots, and guys, these are minor issues, nothing much to worry about. So here you can see sometimes any random application shows the notifications in this manner. And here also, if you take a look at the screenshot, while charging the device, notification appeared above the text of charging. This also doesn't look good on the lock screen. And I don't know why, due to some reason, I was able to run BGMI in PIP mode. I think this was again a temporary bug. After just one restart, it got fixed. So here you can see these two screenshots. BGMI is running in PIP mode. Quite weird, but this is what it happened on my OnePlus 9. And also few users are complaining about few things. For example, they are saying that background streaming is not working. So guys, I did not find any kind of issues related to the background streaming. Soon I open the YouTube application, and if I open the side panel, here you can see it says background streaming. So I personally had no issues related to this, and there are also few things which users are complaining about. For example, partial screenshot options are not working. So for me, again, There are no issues. If I use the gesture of 3 fingers holding on the screen, I can take a partial screenshot. And when it comes to screenshot, today one user mentioned us that he's not able to take a scrolling screenshot. So let me show you here. And if I tap on scroll, you can see there are no issues. And the last thing which few users asked me, and that's related to horizon light. I saw few users reporting that horizon light not working, but till now on my device I did not find any kind of issues related to the horizon or the edge lightning stuff. For me, everything seems to be working fine here. As I told you guys, if you are facing a lot of issues, make sure to factory reset your device once before using it. And another thing which I forgot to mention was related to the dual SIM card. This is again a concern for some users that 2 SIM cards are not working. So here you can see I am using 2 SIM cards. Both of them are of different operator. One is Airtel and the second one is Vodafone, and both the SIM cards works perfectly fine. And now let's talk about the camera segment. We'll also show you guys few samples taken after updating the device to OxygenOS 13. And some users also stating that after device reaches up to 40 degrees Celsius, we are not able to record the videos in 4K along with the audio. So I've been recording a 4K video here. We started at around 31 degrees Celsius. Right now you can see the device temperature. It's gone up to 44 degrees Celsius on my Oneplus 9. Now I'll stop the video recording and we'll record a video. Let's see whether video gets recorded along with the audio or not. And for your confirmation, I'll again show you guys we are recording in 4K at 60 FPS. So now let me record a video again. So here's the sample video which is being recorded on our Oneplus 9 with the resolution of 4K at 60 FPS. And now let's play this video. So here's the sample video which is being recorded on our Oneplus 9 with the resolution of 4K at 60 FPS. So guys, there's no issue recording video in 4K at 60 FPS even if your device temperature reaches above 45 degrees Celsius. Here are the samples which we clicked after updating the device to stable build of OxygenOS 13. When it comes to ultra wide and normal lens, I did notice bit of improvements in the color consistency. Not much of difference to be seen. Only in some scenarios device was producing dark shadows. And talking about the normal lens, I don't have any kind of complaints. Device was pretty well maintaining the exposure with accurate colors. Skin tones were also maintained pretty well. The only concern for me is when we click photos using 2x, the device fails to maintain the dynamic range, which you can see in this particular image. And after the update of OxygenOS 12, night mode on OnePlus smartphones is just only a mode which doesn't make any kind of difference. These are the samples which we clicked using normal mode and compared with the night mode. You guys let us know, should OnePlus improve in the camera segment or not. Talking about the battery backup, so here guys, one thing you need to remember, battery backup depends on tons of factor and every individual will have a different battery backup or screen on time. And all my battery backups are with higher refresh rate enabled, and I have been using device with ambient display turned on along with haptic feedback turned on. So here was the first cycle wherein I got 4 hours of screen on time with my normal usage, little bit of gaming, not much of gaming. Second day I got 5 hours and 16 minutes of screen on time, a way better screen on time compared to my previous usage. Here also I did little bit of gaming. Other than gaming, I just watched YouTube and did my normal stuff. And when it comes to charging time guys, I did notice OnePlus 9 is taking bit extra time. So here you can see I started the device to charge at 16% and the time was 12:31. The device fully charged at 1:31, which took approximately 50 minutes to charge from 16% to 100%. So if it was 1% or 2%, I think device would have taken around 60 minutes. And when I initially bought the device never used to take so much of time. So you guys let us know if you are experiencing the slow charging thing on OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. And at last, let's talk about the gaming part. So here I'm not at all satisfied with OnePlus. You take in consideration OxygenOS 12 or OxygenOS 13. It's not only with BGMI. I did test out BGMI wherein the game most of the time is unplayable when you're landing at hot drop or when you're involving in multiple fights. The FPS drastically drops. The lowest FPS which I have seen on my OnePlus 9 is around 20 FPS. OnePlus have already removed the 90 FPS support, but OnePlus should do something to give us constant 60 FPS when it comes to gaming. And as I told you, it's not only about BGMI. I also played Apex Legend, and here also the story was same. With the higher graphic settings, I mean to say 60 FPS, the device was again struggling a lot in delivering 60 FPS. So when it comes to gaming and the charging time with OxygenOS 13 and even with OxygenOS 12, these two things are completely ruined by OnePlus. And if you guys haven't updated your device before updating, make sure the bugs which I have mentioned, you should be aware about it. And if you are into gaming, I would recommend you guys to stay on OxygenOS 11. So guys, this was an in-depth review of OxygenOS 13 stable build. If you still have any kind of questions or if I have missed out anything, do let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.